Hey guys, welcome back to Renee RGTV. Today I thought I'd show you guys how to make a quick and easy homemade chili. And all we're going to need is 2 pounds of ground beef, and I have that in my sink. I also have 2 home canned jars of pinto beans and also kidney beans. I have 1 20-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, and then we're going to use onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, oregano. We're going to use chopped onion. We're going to use dried onion. You can use fresh onion, and that's normally what I'd use, but I'm out. We're going to use chili powder, pepper, and also salt. In my pot, I have about half a cup of sweet peppers chopped. You can use bell peppers here if you'd like as well. And if you're going to use fresh onion, I would go ahead and throw that in with these peppers. So let's go ahead and saute these up, and then we're going to move on. Okay guys, so we cooked our peppers until they were tender, and now we've added our ground beef. We're going to cook that thoroughly. And
okay, our beef is cooked, so now we're going to add our spices.
Okay guys, so we have a 1/4 cup of chili powder. We have 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. We have 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and we have 1 teaspoon salt. We also have 2 tablespoons of dried onion. I have 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of white sugar. So we're going to add that into our beef and pepper mixture, and we're going to continue. So we added our spices, and then I have thrown in a 20-ounce can of diced tomatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and let the tomatoes cook down just a little bit, about 10-15 minutes. Let those spices blend together, and we're gonna continue on. It is already smelling absolutely delicious. Okay, so we've just kind of let this combine and cook down a bit, probably about 10-15 minutes. Now all we need to do is add our pints of beans, and I have 2 pints of pinto and 2 pints of kidney beans. We are going to add the juice and all. Alrighty guys, so we have it all added, and we're going to bring this up to a low simmer, and we're going to let this cook about 30 minutes or so. And in the meantime, I'm going to get some cornbread ready. Guys, so we let it simmer for about 30 minutes, and it is ready to go. Serve it up with cornbread or a salad, and you have dinner. I also have this recipe on my channel that I canned, and I will put a link above, so check that out. As always guys, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.